In today's fast-moving industrial world, one mistake in packaging can cost you lakhs in damage, delays, and customer trust. Since 1982, Hemant Wooden Packaging Pvt Limited has been serving industry with high-quality wooden packing products, protecting thousands of shipments across India. With more than 4 decades of experience in industrial wooden packaging, Hemant Wooden Packaging has grown into a trusted manufacturing partner for companies across Maharashtra and India. Founded in 1982 in Mumbai, the business is led by Mr. S.N. Pandey and Mr. Hemant Satyanarayan Pandey, who have personally overseen thousands of export shipments, heavy machinery movements, and container loadings that depend on safe, reliable wooden packaging. These are our product specialization and packaging solutions. Hemant Wooden Packaging is one of India's leading wooden pallet manufacturers, delivering high-strength, durable, and export-grade wooden pallet packaging solutions for industries, warehouses, and global shipments. Our pallets are engineered for heavy loads, safe handling, and international compliance ISPM 15. We are manufacturing 2-way and 4-way Pinewood export pallets and heavy-duty pallets that are built for strength, durability, and smooth handling in real industrial conditions. High-value machines deserve strong industrial wooden boxes that can handle lifting, stacking, and long-distance transport. In industrial goods transportation, selecting durable and reliable packaging is essential to safeguard your products. As a leading wooden box manufacturer, Hemant Wooden Packaging specializes in crafting high-quality, customizable wooden boxes for various industrial uses. Our services extend across Mumbai, Pune, Thane, Navi Mumbai, and other regions, offering solutions that meet global standards in strength, durability, and export compliance. When inspection access and visibility are important along with safety, heavy-duty wooden crates are the ideal solution. These crates are engineered for industrial and export use, giving stability and support to irregular-shaped equipment and project cargo. We specialize in producing high-quality plywood boxes designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients across various industries. Plywood bolting boxes offer an excellent balance of low weight and high strength for industrial packing. These boxes are bolted together and used widely for machinery, control panels, and export cargo, where lower shipping weight and reliable protection are both critical. For export shipments, wood must be pest-free and compliant with international regulations. Hemant Wooden Packaging provides ISPM 15 fumigation services with proper process, marking, and certificates so that your wooden packing is accepted at ports without rejection. We provide both the fumigation stamp and the official fumigation certificate. We are a government-certified license holder and our license number is INMB MUM 0107. ISPM 15 compliance is mandatory unless the destination country explicitly permits untreated wood, which is rare. This is our heat treatment plant where we bulk treat pallets, planks, or entire pallets at the correct temperature to ensure no pests or their eggs remain, preventing our country's pests from spreading to other countries. Heat treatment under ISPM 15 ensures that wooden pallets and boxes meet global phytosanitary standards. We are license holders of heat treatment certificate and our license number is IN 469HT. With licensed ISPM 15 heat treatment facilities, Hemant Wooden Packaging makes sure your export packaging is properly treated, stamped, and ready for international movement. Safe transport is not only about the pallet, it is also about how the cargo is palletized. Palletization services from Hemant Wooden Packaging ensure that cartons, components, and machines are properly stacked, strapped, and wrapped, reducing handling damage and improving efficiency at every stage. Inside containers, uncontrolled movement is a major risk for machines and structures. With professional container lashing and chocking for 20 feet, 40 feet, and project containers, Hemant Wooden Packaging secures your cargo with belts, buckles, and wooden blocks designed to withstand the journey. For metal parts, rust is the enemy, especially during long sea routes and storage in humid conditions. VCI Packing uses advanced vapor corrosion inhibitor technology to protect your metal components from corrosion throughout transit and warehousing. Aluminum foil vacuum packing creates a sealed, moisture-free environment around critical machinery. By evacuating air and preventing humid air ingress, this method provides long-term protection against rust and atmospheric damage during extended sea shipments and storage. Moving your machines to a separate packing facility is not always practical. Hemant Wooden Packaging brings expert on-site packing services directly to your plant or project site, with custom crating, secure packaging and assembly handled at your location for maximum convenience and safety. Today, Hemant Wooden Packaging is trusted by leading manufacturers, exporters, and logistics partners across automotive, engineering, pharmaceutical, chemical, and other industrial sectors. A wide product range, certified treatments, and service-oriented approach have made the company a reliable partner for safe and compliant cargo movement. If you want your machines not just dispatched but delivered safely, choose Hemant Wooden Packaging Pvt Limited, serving industries since 1982. For your next export shipment, call on 9820-362-396 or email info@hemantwoodenpackaging.com and secure your cargo with a trusted industrial packaging expert. Thanks for your support.